If your modern diesel truck is starting to blow thick black smoke, or you notice a sudden drop in power and fuel economy, you might be dealing with a picky sensor in your emission system that is about to put you in limp mode. The code P2046 refers to an intermittent problem with the reductant temperature sensor circuit, and it is specific to clean diesel engines equipped with selective catalytic reduction systems. These systems are designed to meet tough emissions standards by injecting a special fluid, often called DAAF or diesel exhaust fluid, into the exhaust stream. This fluid helps turn harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless nitrogen and water. The PCM, which is the main computer of your vehicle, monitors the temperature of this fluid because it needs to be within a specific range to work correctly. If the voltage signal coming from the temperature sensor is jumping around or acting erratic, the computer gets confused and throws this code. This is a serious issue because if the selective catalytic reduction system stays disabled, you could end up with permanent damage to your expensive catalytic converter. To fix this, I would first use a diagnostic scanner to see if the code is active or just a historical blip. If it resets immediately, you need to find the reductant tank and inspect the wiring for any signs of corrosion or broken wires, which are very common in these systems since they are exposed to the elements. You should use your digital voltometer to test the sensor itself based on the manufacturer's specifications. Most of the time, these issues are caused by a faulty sensor or a bad connection right at the tank. If the sensor tests fine, you will need to check the wiring all the way back to the controller to make sure there is not an open circuit somewhere. It is a bit of a process, but getting this sorted out is much cheaper than replacing the entire catalyst system later on.